Hello everyone, welcome back to Opening Craft, your go-to channel for the latest job opportunities. I'm Adi and today we have some exciting job opportunities for Android and Flutter development. So first up, we have fantastic opportunity for Flutter and Android developers at Exceloid Soft System in Hyderabad. This role is preferred for the freshers and looking to kickstart their career. The position is full-time and permanent with the pay range of 2 lakhs to 3 lakhs per year. Here are the key details. The location is Hyderabad. They have mandatory bonds for 2 years and responsibilities included like design, develop and test and maintain the software using Flutter and Tab. The benefits also are there like health insurance. The schedule is for day shifts and qualifications required is bachelor's degree and knowing CI/CD and mobile applications with the software development knowledge is preferred. To apply for this position, we will visit their career page here and fill out the application form. So you will find the links below in the description. You just need to fill the application form like your name, your email, mobile number and other details with attaching your resume. So all the links for this career opportunity will be provided in the description. Next, we have an opening for mobile application developer at Bioallos Lifesciences Private Limited in Hyderabad. This is another great opportunity for freshers and with the monthly package of 45,000 to 56,000 in hand. So the location is Hyderabad and qualifications required is bachelor's degree. Also with the knowledge of Dart and mobile applications in Flutter is preferred. For more information and to apply, visit their website at nomedia.com and head to the career section. Here you will find their contact links, contact number and the submission form. In the submission form, fill out the details, your name, email, phone number and the message and click on the submit. I also have provided the Simply Hired's direct link so you can apply from this. Moving on our next opening, we have VISANKA Technologies Private Limited in Chennai in Tamil Nadu. So this is hiring for mobile application developer role. This role is open for freshers and including benefits with internet resubmission and work from home opportunities. This has a flexible schedule like they mentioned the location is Chennai but this is a work from home opportunity. Responsibilities they mentioned write and clean and efficient code for mobile applications, collaborate with cross-functional teams and design new features. Also they wanted to stay updated with new mobile technology trends. The qualification required is a degree in computer science related field and knowledge of Kotlin, Dart and Node.js. Now moving to visit their career page to apply for the position. Here is the apply form. You can directly fill this form and enter your name, email address, mobile number and your cover letter. Our fourth opening is for software engineers at Next Education India in Hyderabad. This role is ideal for the candidate with 0 to 1 years of experience, especially for the freshers. The location is Hyderabad and the key skills required as a Flutter, Electron, HTML, Angular. Also they required JavaScript, Spring Boot. Also they mentioned the database like MySQL, Mongo, Celica is preferred and the role is for any graduate or postgraduate. This is a full-time and permanent opportunity, so you can directly apply through the naukri.com or here I have provided the link in the description, so we will be redirected to the directly company site and you can fill the form and directly apply from this. Finally, we have an entry-level developer position at Shriyan Software Services in Hyderabad. So this role is open for candidates with 0 to 1 years of experience and it's also for freshers. The location is Hyderabad and the key skill required is HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Moving towards the company's site, here they mentioned join with us. They have a lot of opportunities with them and here is our opening entry level opportunity for developer. To apply for this position, you can just submit this form. You have to fill up the information like name, email, phone and with your updated CV. You can just add your cover letter and submit this form. That's all for today's job updates. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Opening Craft for more job openings and career advice. Good luck with your applications and see you in the next video. Thank you.